What we have here is a demo for MSR, FPS and thermal printer interface on Devo board. Let me explain. We have the basic Devo board on which the smart card PCB is attached. We have the MSR and FPS connected to it, and also we have a general purpose hub board on which USB hub implementation is done. We have bypassed the hub section in the main board because there is some issue in the hub. Also in the similar way, we are facing some small hardware issues in thermal printer on this particular board. So we have connected an external board with proper thermal printer hardware, and we have connected the RX and TX to the main board, to where which the battery is connected for driving the thermal printer. So now I'll show you the demo, means demo code running. This board is connected to the PC with a Renesas E1 emulator. So when I run my code, you can see in my debug console that the device is detached because there is nothing connected to the USB port. Now I'm going to connect the hub. I'm going to connect this general purpose hub to the board. So I'm connecting the upstream part of the hub to this thing. Then you can see that the hub driver is enabled and it is running. You can see that hub class board driver is running, and it's also showing that this particular hub is having 3 downstream ports, out of which 2 we have taken out. Now what I'll do is I'll take my tablet, I'll take my Android tablet, I'll connect to one of the downstream ports of my hub. So when I connect, you can see that in my debug console it is showing that the ADB device is detected and tablet is enabled and it's charging. Now our Android team has written an application where we can demonstrate the functionalities of thermal printer, magnetic swipe card and FPS. So I'll start with printer. So you can see inside the printer there are 3 icons. There is a status icon, there is a print icon, there is a text print icon. When I press status, you can see that the status of the printer is received in this. If I take this print section, what will happen is you can type some values like hello. You can see the printer starts printing it. You can see the hello is printed on the printer. In the same way, there is also a test print which will print an image of Bevo Technologies. You can see the text image is printing. You can see that is a test image which we have loaded inside its hard coded. So that is the functionalities of thermal printer. Now I'll come back to the functionalities of FPS and this thing. If I press the back button, I'll get back to the home screen of my app where I have 2 more these things. First thing is FPS, so I'll select FPS. In FPS, in fact, we have 2 options. One is for enrolling and next is for verify. So when I press the enroll key, you can see that my FPS, this thing is getting enabled and it is ready to enroll the data. So when I keep my finger, it collects the data and it sends to the tablet. You can see the entire data is printed on the screen of the tablet. Now what I'll do is I'll go for a verify. So when I go for a verify, again it asks for the planning. So I am keeping the same finger. So you can see that the verification is success and that success information has been sent to the tablet. So this is the functionality of FPS. Now in the same way, the last one is MSR. So I'll come to MSR. So if MSR is a very simple thing, once you press, it's waiting for the magnetic swipe card's data. So I am going to swipe my card. You can see that the data is appearing on the tablet. So this was the demo of the basic features of thermal printer and MSR and FPS using Bevo's hardware and Android tablet. Thank you.